Hello, welcome back to Mehetri German Academy. In the third episode of German language and traveling, we focused on the German vocabulary of the transportation. The previous two episodes introduced us to the basic but useful German vocabulary related to traveling. The link for the same can be found in this video's description. Starting with the third episode, let's begin. Listen and repeat. There are various modes and ways of going from point A to point B, and we are going to look at what these modes are called in German as well as expressing about these modes of or methods of transportation in German. The car. As we all know, Germany is home to the car, and the car in German is called as das Auto. The car. Das Auto. The car. Next comes the bike. Germans love to ride their bike from one beautiful destination to another. In fact, many Saturdays and Sundays are reserved to just take a ride through the town, city, or through the countryside on the bike. And the bike is known as das Fahrrad. The bike, das Fahrrad. Next comes the public transport, which is the bus. The bus is known as der Bus. Der Bus. Next, we have the train. The railway network and the railway system is of a very high standard in Germany. And the train in German is called as der Zug. The train, der Zug. Next, we have the airplane. The airplane in German is known as das Flugzeug. Das Flugzeug. The airplane. So now let's make some simple sentences with these words or terms which we have learnt. I am traveling by car. Ich reise mit dem Auto. But you had told us that car is known as das Auto. Where from this dem came? Actually, it's a grammatical change. And it is to do with the German cases or the four cases in the German language. With experienced guidance and proper practice, the concept of cases in the German language is very easy and practically useful, fun and interesting to understand. So, I am traveling by car in German means ich reise mit dem Auto. Next we have the bike, that is I am traveling by bike. Ich reise mit dem Fahrrad. Ich reise mit dem Fahrrad. Next, we have the bus. And we know what's bus called in German. So, ich reise mit dem Bus. Ich reise mit dem Bus. I am traveling by bus. Next we have the train. That is, I am traveling by train. Ich reise mit dem Zug. Ich reise mit dem Zug. And next we have the airplane. I am traveling by plane. This could be in German as Ich reise mit dem Flugzeug. I am traveling by plane means Ich reise mit dem Flugzeug. Easy, isn't it? Simple to speak. This was the third episode of German language and traveling. In the fourth episode, there will be a story. That is, we will tell a story of travels. Till the fourth episode of this series, see you soon. Till then, gute Reise.